Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make eggs for your gym goals. First, understand why eggs are a powerhouse food. They are a complete protein, meaning they contain all 9 essential amino acids crucial for muscle repair and growth. A single large egg packs approximately 6 grams of protein, along with vital nutrients like vitamin D and B vitamins. This makes them an excellent choice for sustained energy before or after your workouts. Next, let's explore healthy ways to prepare your eggs. Boiling or poaching are fantastic methods as they require no added fats, keeping your meal lean. If you prefer scrambled eggs, use a non-stick pan with a tiny amount of cooking spray or a small dash of olive oil. Incorporating egg whites can significantly boost protein while lowering fat. Always remember to mix in plenty of colorful vegetables for extra vitamins and fiber. Now, let's make a quick and delicious protein scramble. Start by whisking 2 whole eggs with 2 additional egg whites in a bowl. This boosts your protein content. In a pan, lightly sauté about 1/4 cup of chopped bell peppers and a handful of fresh spinach until tender. Pour in your egg mixture, stirring gently until the eggs are cooked through but still moist. Finish with a pinch of salt and pepper for flavor. Finally, for a fantastic meal prep option, try making portable egg muffins. Whisk together 6 whole eggs with about 1/4 cup of milk and your favorite chopped vegetables, like broccoli or mushrooms. Pour this mixture into a greased 12-cup muffin tin, filling each cup approximately 2/3 full. Bake them in an oven preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes. These are excellent for quick, nutritious snacks or meals throughout your busy week.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.